So today we're going to be fixing a Dell 3100 Chromebook motherboard. First you got to unscrew the 9 screws on the back and pop the back off. Then you got to unscrew the 3 screws connecting the battery to the back of the Chromebook. And then you got to unplug it from the motherboard. Then you want to unscrew this 1 screw over here connecting the screen to the motherboard. Then you got to unscrew this 1 screw, that's the Wi-Fi screw that makes the Wi-Fi work. And then there's 2 wires under that you need to unplug that's connecting the motherboard. And then unplug the mouse and keyboard, big black ribbon and the white ribbon right next to each other. And you got to finish unscrewing the area next to the screen, take it off, and unplug the screen from the motherboard. And right here you got to unplug the speakers. Now you got to unscrew the 6 screws connecting the motherboard into the back of the Chromebook. Now we have our new motherboard in. We have to screw the motherboard back in with the screws we just unscrewed. And now I have to plug everything back in. Make sure you plug in all the ribbons and wires. So make sure you plugged in the mouse, the keyboard, the speakers, the Wi-Fi screw area, and the screen. Screw back on the cover that was covering up the area that was connecting the motherboard and the screen. Now we need to put the battery back in right after we finished plugging in everything else. We need to screw it in. Now we need to plug it back in. And finally, we got to screw in the 9 screws on the back, flip up the Chromebook and see if it turns on.